So now we're taking it off the jacks so he can get the transmission supported easily while pulling the engine. So he'll lower the car here and put the jack under the transmission in order to support it. Observe the wooden block. The transmission pan is a real light steel piece, and if you just stick the jack right on the pan, you'll dent it. So Dan will get this block lined up correctly. You're not really going to push hard on the transmission, but we still don't want to make any little pucker marks in the transmission pan. So he didn't hardly move the car. You can hardly tell he did anything there. He just got the jack touching the transmission. So it doesn't strain the transmission mount when you pull the engine. What'll happen is it'll hang from that rear mount and push on the bottom of the car and make a mess of things, bend the linkage, that kind of thing.